I'm back, y'all. Back with another video. Right now I am out here in this wonder nature land. Check it out. It's not too far from where I reside, and some just told me to come out here today. I want to get out the apartment, so I was like, let's go for a walk. I brought some jars and some little baggies so I can collect some plants and maybe some herbs. I'm going to be out here checking to see what kind they are, and just try to be one with nature for a while. I never done this before, so something new, guys. Said I have to get out my box and start doing different things, you know. So here we go. Let's start the journey. So how's everybody doing today? Today's a wonderful day. I decided to get out and do something that I enjoy doing and not something that I have to do. It's going to come a time where I'm going to have to start getting out and doing things that I need to be doing. So I'm going to take this time right now to enjoy my life as it's mine for now. Yeah. Yep. Take this time out to enjoy life while I can. You know, some people didn't even get up this rising, but I'm grateful that I did. So I'm going to take advantage of it and do some things that I like doing. I found this little stoop over here. Maybe I can have a seat and a smoke and a meditation break. What do you think? Y'all think this is a good spot for me? Gotta make sure it ain't no giant spiders or snakes or nothing over here. You know? Can't just be walking out here in nature, because it is other living creatures here. Just gotta be mindful of that. Kick the log so whatever's living there can come out. I'm about to have a seat. Okay, you living creatures. Gigi is here. Don't worry, I'm an earth worker. If y'all didn't know, that is the meaning of my name. If nobody knew. Earth worker. Yes, Gigi means earth worker. I gotta remember to start saying that when people be like, oh, what does that mean? Or da. Now I know. Hey, is this like a seesaw? I think this is a seesaw, y'all. Oh, yep, it's a seesaw. See it? I'm gonna use it to prop my phone up. How about that? I brought the GoPro to try to get some footage. And I brought me a joint. You already know. So let's see. Oh, this battery about to die soon, so I think I got another extra one. Hey, GoPro people. Look. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah. So I'm about to prop this GoPro right here. Hopefully. Comes out good. And just chat, y'all. I'm finna just chat it on up, y'all. I brought me some water and some chocolate. And I'm just about to chill. Get different footages and angles, you know, and test this thing out. It's crunch time, y'all. It's crunch time. It's time to get serious about the thing, you know? What y'all know about getting serious? Now I can finish recording on my phone. It must be like a termite or something. A bug just flew into the wood. Yep. Got me some candy. A lady's walking her dog through here. Don't you dare fall. What is that? Oh, that's from the sun. I can't believe I'm gonna be 40. I'm gonna be 40 years old, y'all. Wow. I really don't know how to feel about that because it's like, I don't feel 40. When I squint my face up like that, I look 40. But I don't feel 40 at all. Do you think I'm 40? Nah, I'm not 40. I'm 26, 25. 25. It's so quiet out here. I remember I used to go to the park and just sit and listen. You know? People think other people that talk to themselves are crazy. But I don't think so. I just feel like, okay, when other people are around, don't do it out loud. Don't do it out loud. Because, you know, you can give the illusion of talking shit about somebody under your breath when you're really just talking to yourself. Or you can give the illusion of you talking to that person and you're really not. So it's best if you do speak to yourself, when other people are around, try not to speak to yourself out loud. Okay? Seriously. Because it's confusing. It's confusing for the other people that's around you. And they don't know. It's like, are you talking to me or are you talking about me? Because obviously you can't say it loud enough for me to hear because you're whispering it to yourself. So try not to talk to yourself around other people out loud because it's very confusing. Well, at least to me it is. It might not be to the people that's doing it. Look how ashy my hands are. Oh my gosh. I didn't put no lotion after I washed my hands. Look how beautiful it is out here. I did my hair different, y'all. You like it? My edges are growing back. my edges. I definitely gonna have to wear head wraps, cause my forehead big, child, and I got lines. I think I might try to do some meditation out here. I was zoned out. Hey, what happened? It looked different. I got on my little cute dress today, y'all. Looking so cute. I'm just grateful to be alive. So, I brought my trusty notebook so I can write down some manifestations and give thanks for the things that I have. Yeah. So I think they said it's like a strawberry full moon or something going on now. So I think I still got enough time. So let's get to it, you guys. Bug. So I just wrote down all my manifestations and all of my gratefulness, things that I'm grateful for. Oh gosh, my forehead is huge. Well, now I'm finna do a little smoke break. All right. For all my weed moms out there, I'm with you. Okay, I'm with you. And if I had some shrooms, I'll be doing those also. It's just, I don't know. Some people get, people react to certain things differently. And for me, like if I have stuff to do that I want to be motivated about and passionate about, even as far as like getting up cleaning the house, you feel me? Like I'm finna smoke. But I try not to go out in public place with my children and stuff, But to each his own. Hey, nobody's here to judge. Nobody should be here to judge. That's the whole thing. If you're judging, you're not focused on yourself, basically, because you're too busy judging other people and what other people got going on. Look at your own damn self. I'm sorry for using that language, but look at your own self. You can't be judging somebody else's stuff and your stuff messed up. And I'm not saying your stuff is messed up. You probably might have your shit together. But Don't judge me. Don't judge my life because my life ain't like yours. You chose to live your life one way, and everybody have a right to choose to live their lives the way they want to live it. That's the whole point of living, is to figure out how you want to live your own damn life and live it. And stop judging other folks. So, and this helps me to sit still. Sometimes if I need to, you know, it's just like it just opens me up. It makes me open to receive, you know, and slowly think about things and slowly try to slowly react to things and not just be all you know, like attack this and do this and I have to. Sometimes you be on the go too much. You need to slow down. You feel me? Sometimes people do need to slow down. Sit down. Sit down and slow down. Or slow down, then sit down. Whichever one. Just do it. Shoot. We get so caught up trying to live this superficial life. You know? Like, if this country just gave everybody at least like 2 acres, you feel me? Just give everybody 2 acres and let them figure it out. You know? You could build a tent. Just figure it out and don't worry about nobody else. They be so quick to tell us, oh, you gotta do this, you gotta do this, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. Give me 2 acres and I'll show you what I gotta do. For real. I probably didn't take shop in high school, but I know how to use a hammer, a nail, and some wood. Give me those things and I'll show you. I'm very resourceful, that's for sure. They didn't call me Earthworker for nothing. Earthworker. Had to do a different angle. That sun, it was not good. But still over here. It went out again. Oh, maybe I don't need any more. My eyes, oh my gosh. My eyes make me look 40. Like, girl, you've been through it, girl. You've been through it. We're going to give you a break. The universe said, we're going to give you a break, Gigi. 40 years, you done survived 40 years. And you haven't harmed a soul. I'm just playing. I'm not perfect. Definitely not perfect. But I try to treat people kindly. I try to show love. There was one point in my life where I was just going through it, child. You know? I was going through it. Searching for love. So young and so naive. Looking for love. And I was searching everywhere, child. And seemed like all the wrong people. You know? Because they was going through their stuff too. So that's the thing about life, though. You know? We come here as little babies. And we don't remember that we've already been here. And We get taught all these different things, and that's what's so different from what we, the reasons why we came back. Get sidetracked and distracted. And we forget the meaning of life. Everybody do. Everybody. These are the things I like to talk about, But I don't think everybody wants to talk about stuff like this. Please comment down below if you do, if anybody's watching. Anybody's watching, just comment down below some type of positive thing. Because when I realized, when I found out I had breast cancer, I realized one thing during that time. It was that I had to have positivity, positive stuff around me like 24/7. I couldn't, that negative, that shit ain't no good. It ain't. We must remain positive at all times in order for anything to change. Yep. So easy said than done, but if we start reversing things back to how they supposed to be, you feel me? If we start reversing everything that was reversed, we reverse it back instead of seeing everything you say, oh, it's hard. No, say it's easy. If you say I can't, say I can. Just reverse it. It's all a mind game. That's for sure. Got my tourmaline for protection. My hands are ashy. Excuse me. I'm sorry, y'all. But I was not really. I took TikTok off my phone. I get in the habit of doing that from time to time. Just take if I get on it too much, just take it off sometimes and have a breather from those apps. But stretch. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh, have a breather from those apps. So, what was I going with that? Yeah, I need to just say what I gotta say when it's on my mind, because that marijuana be making my mind be like, what? Wow. It's so peaceful. My face looks fat. Got a little chunky baby face. Sounds like I'm hearing people talking. Maybe it's the trees. Oh, wow. Trees are talking to me. See how the sun is moving? Sometimes I'd be like, looking up. And then you'd be like, oh, they're spraying chemtrails today. Let me get my butt up. My butt's hurting. So the GoPro really ain't getting too much activity today because that's just too much work. Like, seriously. That is just too much work, child. You know? So I'm just gonna stick with the camera, my phone, and call it a day. I'm about I don't know if I got stuff all on my back. What time is it? How long was I sitting there? Oh, that's the man over there. Oh, I was like in La La Land for real. Oh gosh. I started hearing the voices. I was like, oh gosh, time to go. But when I got up, I saw it was some people over there sitting down eating. So yeah. I ain't crazy. Which way? Oh, we're gonna go this way. Because I was supposed to be getting footage of like plants and stuff. And I was taking pictures of the plants and looking up, seeing what kind of plants they were. I'm just in my own little world, child. My own little world. Nobody messing with me. This is how I like it. So I'm coming up over here on some different kind of plants I saw from far away, y'all. Check it out. These look like they need some water. Look at these ones. Ooh. The leaves are so big and green. So when I looked it up, it said it's horseradish. I wonder if anybody knows is out here. Horseradish. So now I'm gonna look up. Oops, sorry, y'all can't see me. I need to start filming better. Because y'all gotta see me. But no, horseradish. So I'm about to look up horseradish and see what's the benefits from horseradish. So it says it can protect the body from free radicals. And it is